This is pretty neat, just to make a reference real quick.
Beautiful
NASA
out there.
Headed back to the moon.
Later today, a lunar atmosphere and dust environment explorer will blast off, beginning a mission to study the moon's atmosphere. And Eyewitness News reporter John Gregory is here with a look at what scientists are hoping to uncover and what that long word term meant.
Yeah, we didn't know the moon had an atmosphere, but it does apparently. Yeah, the robotic spacecraft is called Laddie. It's scheduled to lift off 8:30 tonight, our time. Here's a look at the spacecraft on a launch pad in Wallops Island, Virginia. The weather looks to be cooperating for a go launch tonight. This NASA animation shows the probe's lunar orbit. The mission will study our moon's atmosphere, dusty atmosphere, and the interest dates back to when the Apollo astronauts went to the moon in the 60s and the 70s, and they reported seeing a strange glow across the lunar sky. Scientists also say this type of mission could pave the way for human exploration.
These robotic spacecraft perform some tremendous science, but they also allow us to understand the extreme elements of any environment for which then humans can plan to be able to move out from low Earth orbit and trek into space.
Now, it's going to take the probe about a month to get to the moon, followed by another month to check its scientific instruments. Then the spacecraft will start collecting data over a 3-month period, and the mission's going to end. They're going to basically fly this thing into the moon's surface, and then they'll study it with telescopes to see what kind of dust flies up, and they can get an idea of what's in the ground there and that kind of thing.
So cool.